the 10 theories of crime causation.
Today, I will discuss to you the 10 major causes of crime causation and how they affect the criminal behavior in our society. First is poverty and economic inequality. Dito daw po, kapag hirap ang tao sa basic needs tulad ng pagkain at tirahan, nagiging desperado sila. At kapag may inequality, mas lumalakas ang frustration, kaya minsan napupunta sila sa illegal na paraan para mabuhay. Second naman po ay lack of education. Kapag kulang ang edukasyon, kaunti lamang ang job opportunities nila at madaling ma-engage sa maling gawain dahil limitado ang legal na option nila. Unemployment. Ang walang trabaho ay nagdudulot ng financial stress nila at mahabang self-esteem. Kaya minsan napipilitan ang iba na kumita sa illegal na paraan tulad ng pagnanakaw o pagbebenta ng droga. Naman po ay family structure. Ang parenting, ang pamilya nito ang unang nagtuturo ng values. Broken families, neglect at violence can lead sa anger trauma nila and delinquency. Lima naman daw po ay peer influence and gangs. Maraming kabataan ang madaling maimpluwensyahan dahil gusto lamang nilang magbilong sa kanilang gawain. Dahil dito, nagkakaroon sa kanila ng negative peers, encourage drinking and drugs at criminal behavior. Ang anim naman po ay substance abuse, alcohol at drugs, weakened judgment and self-control. Maraming violent crimes ang nangyayari sa kanila kapag under the influence and offender. Ito naman po is urbanization and neighborhood disorganization. Overcrowded and unsafe communities daw po often have weak social control, kaya mas madaling makagawa ng krimen. It is psychological and mental health issues. Unrelated trauma, stress or disorders can increase the risk of criminal offenders or actions, lalo na kung walang access sa mental health support. Number 9 is cultural and media influence. Media influence and harm content can normalize crime, especially sa mga kabataan na madaling ma-influence sa kanilang gawain ng wrongdoings. Number 10, criminal justice system failures. Kapag may corruption po, mabagal ang kaso, hindi pantay ang punishment. Bumababa ang trust ng tao at kapag hindi mapaparusahan ang criminal, sumataas ang crime. These 10 causes show na ang crime daw po ay ang resulta ng combination ng economic, social, psychological, and institutional factors. Understanding these causes help us to create better solution for crime prevention of our society.